Okay, so you're selling on Amazon, you've got a great product, but you want to increase your revenue. You want to increase your distribution. Watch this video because I'm going to show you now how to leverage that success of selling on Amazon to license that product to a major company that's selling in all the major retailers so you can make more money. All right, so what am I talking about? I'm talking about product licensing, where you're going to license or rent your product to a company that's got great distribution in all the major retailers, and you will collect a royalty for each and every product they sell of yours. So people ask me all the time, can I license my product to a major company that's selling in all the major retailers, but can I still sell my product on Amazon? And I'm here to tell you, yes. Now in some situations, they might want you to kind of pull back or maybe change the product a little bit so you can keep selling on Amazon while they can start developing other markets for you. But those are the type of details that you're going to work out with those companies once you license your product idea to them. So let me tell you why this is so perfect for Amazon sellers. Number one, you've got a product that's currently being manufactured. Number two, you have proven sales. And number three, there's a very good chance you have intellectual property, maybe a copyright, maybe a trademark, maybe even a patent. So when you take all three of those things and you add them up, those companies that are looking for new ideas because they have great distribution are going to absolutely love you. We have found out that companies that are looking for ideas from the outside love it when you have done all this work, because guess what? You've taken away all of the risk. So if you're selling on Amazon and you really want to increase your revenue, you want to increase your distribution, keep watching this channel because I'm going to show you exactly how to license your product to a major company to increase your revenue. If you're not sure about this and you need a little help, please give us a call. We have a program called Gateway where we do everything for you. We know how to reach out to the right companies. We know how to reach out to the right people. We know how to make sure your marketing material is communicating correctly so they can look at it, they can make good decisions. We know what questions they're going to ask, and we can be prepared for those questions in advance. And when that licensing agreement comes over, we can help make sure it's a fair and balanced licensing agreement so everybody's happy. Basically, we're doing all the work for you. It's our program called Gateway, and if you need help on any of this, please pick up the phone, call us, and let's see if Gateway is right for you.